There's something about facing the unknown. The urge to hike, ride, or sail off into the great beyond with your fingers crossed has eaten away at the human race since the beginning of time. Now maybe dragging a dead 1990 Toyota out of a backyard, throwing a bunch of new parts at it, and heading 200 miles into the mountains to attend the Overland Expo East isn't exactly discovering America, but it still promotes the same feeling of freedom and adventure that I'm sure Columbus felt all those years ago. So ride along with Willie and Mr. T to explore something unknown to us, but known by others as the Overland Expo East 2022 in Arrington, Virginia.
So, we made it 200 miles, pretty much non-stop. Managed to pass 3 vehicles, almost was killed by an 18-wheeler, and hit a deer. We didn't hit a deer, we almost hit a deer, which almost caused the 18-wheeler to hit us. Pretty exciting day. So now we're getting ready to go in the gate, check out the rest of this shindig they got going on here. So far, I appear to be the oldest vehicle in the parking lot. I think that's cool. So this is the very first thing you walk into. That's too nice. I wouldn't want to take that in the woods and scratch it all up.
Whoever gets that first prize. That's true.
Now you can tell that these things aren't just for show because this one has racing stripes. That means it's been somewhere. It does a job. I knew I should have brought the bike.
Please, I want to do something. Let's start slinging it, man.
Talking about it with yeah.
What the heck is that? I could put Mr. T in the back of that. I never realized how big Toyota was into this stuff because everywhere you go there's another Toyota. The Tacomas and the 4Runners are really big into this. Now that's a monster truck Subaru right there.
Good, thank you. Time to buy a pickup? No? Yeah? Salut! Ça va les gars? Yes. Oui, ça va?
So this is a Tacoma. This is a kit that you can take the bed off of the truck and put the camper onto the back. Now this is a Tacoma, so it's a larger truck, obviously, than Mr. T. It's also, I believe it might be a V8. Let's see. I'm not sure. It doesn't have the decals on it. It might be a V8. It could be a V6. I'm not sure. But he was saying that the bottom half of the bed is actually lighter than the normal bed that's on a Toyota, and then this section up here is only about 400 pounds. So, but after finding out that Mr. T is not much of a mountain goat, I don't know if that kind of weight would be wise, but you never know. You just never know. So Yamaha has demo rides on their motorcycles over here. If they have a TW200, Willie might be taking a ride. XT250 doesn't look too bad, but looks like Honda has some down here too. I'm pretty sure I see a CT125. If they don't have a monkey out here, I'm gonna be upset. I really like that one, but they don't have a monkey. So I just had a long conversation with the Honda people about not having a monkey out here, but it was a great conversation. Showed them pictures of my monkey, and they gave me a hat. Ain't that cool? It's probably going to look like a gigantic cook pot on top of my head, but this would be the Ford Bronco section, whether it's a Bronco Sport or a full-size Bronco.
It's definitely cleaner.
So if anybody's interested in buying a Ford Bronco, they do look good. I'm going to show you the best one though. Simplicity. Best way to go. There's so much Toyota stuff here. Of course, it's mostly for new stuff, not old stuff like mine. So I didn't find a monkey, but I did find a CT70. Early 90s model, very cool. Very cool. Well, we got water, but you can't get to it. Yeah, they got a fence all the way around the thing, and I don't see a gate anywhere. Plus, I don't see anybody down there in the first place, so it's probably something you're not supposed to do.
It does go like that. Yeah. So, yeah, 32 or 32 and 48.
I think my problem with all of this is that I can't afford what I really want. What I really want is something that looks about like that. It's got a lift gate on the back. I could put the monkey or the golf cart or whatever. Mr. T, I could put something back there. With this, I could live in this thing. Easy. So, after seeing 6,402 different types of tent from rooftop to on the ground, seeing probably about 10 or 12 million different versions of tow behind camper, small or large, and probably close to 25 or 6 million different overlanding vehicles turned into campers or made as campers, a $20 chicken pot pie, 3 dog fights, and enough spandex for the Incredible Hulk to jump off the moon and bungee jump all the way to Earth. It is time to go home. This was a really cool thing. If you are into overlanding in any way, shape, or form, you definitely have to attend one of these just once. I mean, you attend it one time and there's a good possibility that you're going to want to come back again and again and again, because there's all kinds of four-wheel drive equipment. There's all kinds of cooking equipment. There's all kinds of different types of tents and campers and sleeping arrangements and just amazing amounts of stuff. If you're into this in any way, shape, or form, and one of these are somewhere you can get to, go ahead and give it a try. But don't forget to bring your wallet. Anyway, we're going to fire this puppy up, head back to the house. My back is killing me. I had to have walked 30 miles out here today. I have made lap after lap after lap and caught myself going down the same aisles I'd already been down once or twice and still seeing stuff that I didn't see before. Whew. So anyway, hope y'all enjoyed this. Just a little video saying, hey, this is what I did this weekend. On behalf of Mr. T and myself and my free Honda hat, we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. I'm so tired, I ain't got strength enough to turn the key.